correspondents will be tracking this big day. Our business correspondent Sidhant Sibal joining us from FICCI headquarters, and also Girish Nishana also will be, in fact, he's joined us. Sidhant, let me quickly come to you. You've been tracking industry, their expectations. Just to begin with, before we get into specifics, we have, in fact, in the studio, Jayanto and Nagesh also. They like to add more on the expectations of the industry. But quickly, what are you picking up on that? Give us quick 5 points as far as industry's expectations from the FM is concerned.
Of reforms and reforms. That's the word I'm getting here. Well, I can give you some of the expectations of the industry. What are the expectations? Well, they want reforms. They specifically want reforms in the GST, in the taxation front, specifically the rollout of GST. They want time frame for the rollout of GST. They want DTC to see the light of the day, and also they want the super rich tax, which was imposed by the previous government, to be removed. Remember, the super rich tax was imposed so that the fiscal deficit can be bridged. People with income more than a crore came into this bracket. Now, the other thing is what the industry wants is the fact a roadmap for 8% growth. Remember, yesterday the economic survey came and it said that India will only grow up between 7 to 8% in the financial year 16-17. So that's 2 years from now. So for good days, we have to see some bitter medicine. That's the word of the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister. They have been talking about a bitter medicine. We saw just before the railway budget a bitter medicine for the railways. Remember, the financial position of the railways is not good, and for that bitter medicine was given, the price hike in the passenger segment. So we can expect this bitter medicine to continue. And in the budget itself, we can expect the fact that government takes some important bold decisions. Well, the market meanwhile has opened, and rupee has also opened. The rupee has opened up at 59.70, and the Sensex has opened 68 points at 25,513 levels. So markets have opened positively in the green, expecting that some.
So markets as if now have opened on a positive note as a run-up to the budget. Sidhant Sibal. Sidhant, I'll have to cut you short here. We need to take a break here, Sidhant, if you could hear me. We'll take a break here.